Prestoni.
What's up, Bobo?
Back at the track again, son.
Yes.
What do you got under the hood this time?
Same thing. It's a 383 stroker. Upgraded the heads a little bit. Upgraded intake valves. Went to 1/6 rocker ratios. Make them a little bit more lift.
What do you got under the rear fender wheels?
The rear fender wheels.
You still got 4 on the floor?
It is a well, I guess it is a 4-speed transmission actually, technically, Bill. So yeah, it's a 3-speed with overdrive, $700 Ford transmission. It's a brand spanking new Ford 9 rear end from Quick Performance. 38 spline axles, 360 rear gear, full locker. Should not break that. Drive shaft, questionable.
How many cams this thing got?
One, Bill. It's only one.
Yeah. How was the ride?
It was great.
Yeah.
Really excited to be here, man.
We got Preston, the Pravats?
It's Pravat. No, it's Pravat. Pravat sounds more exotic. Preston and I have similar experiences with Street-N-Yeet. He likes to shoot parts to the end of the track, and I like to shoot them out of the back.
That's good.
Pretty much.
But neither one of us have left the first track. The plan is we actually finish this race. So for us, that's a victory. Doesn't matter where we place, as long as we don't leave parts on the track and our car survives. And then we're going to send it to the moon and back on the last day.
It looks like we're living good out here. What do we got on the menu?
We've got some, we are going to cook up some hamburgers. I like beef, and I prefer farm-raised beef. So actually, Preston's sister, Vivian, hooked me up with a local farmer that butchered a cow for us.
Knocking on there works smooth.
And we're going to be eating some hamburgers made with that fine-ass farm-raised beef. I
Nice.
recommend you guys do the same. Brought a new member of the team with us this year.
What's up, guys? I'm Garrett. I'm gonna be running the SP merch booth here at Street-N-Yeet. Come and see us in the infield.
Nice.
That's it? That's all you got?
That's all I got.
That's for launching. When it sat over, it bent.
That's that G-body shuffle.
Yeah, but it's all warped, Preston. How'd that happen?
Well, to tell you the truth, it had so much torque, the chassis twisted off the line.
A lot of these guys are just now coming from sick week.
A little bit more. Keep coming.
Hey, Courtney.
It ain't got no gas in it.
Probably not. took you? Well, I would say the same. Good, brother. How are you? So like nothing like getting married a couple days before your event.
Yeah, we flew in last night at 9.
So you moved it back a week just to put pressure on yourself? Is that, okay.
All right, it looks like we got the SP Tools Ute coming in. Like I said, this is a cool ass little ride. Beat by no van. So let's see, that's a 710 and 103 for the Ute. Van goes 816.
How was that first run?
Not bad, man. We're gonna turn it up a little bit and see what happens. Last time I said that, not a lot happened.
How do we think Preston did?
Preston needs to do a better burnout.
And he needs to drop that tire pressure from the 22 that he has in it down to 16 like I told him. And he actually should be probably 12 to be honest with you. He needs to put that fear aside and let that cheat.
Yeah,
he's trying.
He's already not roasting the tires enough. It's going to start walking. Yeah, you got to just lay it. Whenever you start going forward during your burnout, you should hear a chirp where it's hot, sticky.
Yeah, and then but then I'm still waiting for that chirp. Like when I let off of it, you should hear that.
How'd it go?
How?
I'm gonna.
What? It spun.
I know, because you didn't drop your tire pressure enough, and you let off your burnout too. Your tires weren't hot enough.
Yeah, well,
you're afraid of putting that in the wall again.
No, I ain't afraid.
Suck it up.
We about to go
Be
dig
a
some
man.
tire pressure out.
Go back to your 18-year-old self that would have hit that wall and laughed at it and kept going. And it's not even getting hurt. This is the funny part. You know what he's afraid of?
Not having resale
value. Woman.
No, resale value.
Exactly. A woman.
If I wreck it,
a woman.
It's done.
You gotta give he didn't give a damn about resale value before.
Nope,
he's got to sell it because now he's got a lady.
He's trying
and
to
the
sell
lady's going to be like, you really went out there and destroyed our down payment for our house? Yep. Really?
Lee, how bad did it spin? Did it just stutter when I shifted?
I saw you break the tires loose from my car. That's
when I
how bad
shifted, or because off the line it felt like it dug. On the 1-2 it broke.
330 it started going like this.
Okay, because it felt like it dug off the line, and when I snapped second, it went.
You need to drop those tires. Let the tires cool just a bit. You need to.
I'm gonna go up and get the tire pressure gauge and take some pressure out of them.
Your burnout too.
I know. If y'all will hold my car so it ain't sliding, then that'd be helpful. I'd hate to take out their track blower. Boom.
That time, huh?
Yeah, that was better.
Yeah.
There's still more in it.
Really?
You having some issues. I think that one might have still rolling. Definitely not what you want to see though with that car. 2035. Ooh.
Lee, why is the Ute in the air?
Because it's
For the video, what happened?
Jason obviously up. No, we had some issues with some water tires broke loose. Obviously, from history tells us the Ute doesn't like when the tires break loose. As long as that tire stuck, we're good. But it broke loose, and then it broke the outer shaft when it went to rehook. And of course, it's Drive Shaft Shop. We've called them 4 times, can't get a hold of anybody. Their phones are screwed up, like the rest of everything that they do. If we can get an outer joint for it, we'll get that put together. If not, we ain't got a choice, man. We're gonna have to load it up. We ain't even gonna make day 1 at this point, which really sucks. But
He's calling the guy that works there.
okay, we got some help from the professionals. So we're gonna see if we can get a contact there. They can get us an outer joint and get it put back together and go from there. I can tell you that when I get back, I'm not dealing with the axles anymore. So this is gonna get solid axle conversion. I won't have this problem again.